right at home in the dozer. He loves to run dozer. He's right at home in the loader. He loves to run loader. Take this spruce too. I finally convinced Dad that it was a good time to go ahead and do this dirt work project we've been wanting to do out at my parents' cabin for a few years. And thanks, Bill, for your help, for helping shuffling equipment out there. Don't you like that? That's a nice slow-mo right there. I bought a 3-foot diameter piece of pipe about 5 feet long, and I split it and built some brackets to attach it to the bucket or grapple, whatever you want to call it, on the end of the slasher loader. And it's very crude. If I had to do it again, or if I have time, I should modify it a little bit because it does spill a little more of the dirt out than I'd like, but it still works. So we dug it out of the weeds and we bolted it on the loader here and put it to work for this little project. I know an excavator or a front end loader would have worked better, but we don't have them. So any tool will do, as Red, Green, and Libby said. Our objective here was to cover up some really rocky stretches of the road that had big rocks, and you couldn't really do anything with them, so the best thing we did was just cover them up, and then also use this granular material to kind of cover up some clay areas to keep them from getting greasy every time it rained. That's a lot of orange. It's like I'm driving the Dukes of Hazzard dump truck. Yeah. It's hard to video and shift and drive. My boys were my film crew to this day. One drove the four-wheeler and the other one did the filming. It was very kind of them to follow me and get this great footage. You could see the dirt falling out of the back of the box there, and I just thought they did a very nice job for me. Give you guys another angle to look at, and then you can see how far a big load of dirt goes. Rear strobes, front strobes, oh, box shaker, yay, fog light, shouldn't have fog lights, wing light, sander light, right hand spinner, spare, Brian control couple. We got a big rock against the gate here. Alright, put her down, so lift it up and push it forward, there you go. That rotten bugger got in there somehow. So I was just looking at all this, and then I see a switch down here. It says underbody light. It sounds like something Fire Captain Tom would use.
would be so proud. Yeah, that blade is made for scraping the highway, but it also works well for grading your road and leveling out your high spots. Thought he was going to throw the Komatsu in the back of the dump truck there. Yeah, that pipe doesn't work perfect. It does lose a little bit out of there. Oh well. Still works. Way faster than a shovel. Yeah, belly bladed that. Looks good. Sure is nice or fun to do a little project like this with Dad. I'm glad he's still able to do it. Good way to spend your Labor Day weekend, huh? We got a little wild. Shoot. Luckily, we didn't need that today. Dad was back at it this morning. He's waiting on me. Yeah, we turned stuff around. Thought it would be safer on the gravel truck. Uh-oh, he's waiting on me. We're loaded, boys, we're loaded. My videographer's getting bored. There we go. awesome. Matthew doing a little landscaping where I took out that big dead white spruce. Dad loading up on another load. I think this might be the last load for a while. Road's looking pretty good. See it down there? It's not a Ranger, it's a skidder. Oh wait, they made Ranger skidders. Uh-oh, looks like I'm loaded. I better get going. It's a nice morning. The air temperature is 65, the road temperature is 68. Pretty good hole in the ground for just doing a little short stretch of road. Time to clean out the front of this trail. Couple ugly little jack pine that were broke off. Limbs hanging out over the trail. I told him just get rid of them. Looks like he did. Oh, I don't know how to record.
What was it, like 254 cylinders? You had to be the size of quarters.
Making him work on Labor Day 2019. Oh, must be loaded. I better get going. Alright, you can drive now. I just got to get a little video of this. Man, this is like a little mini highway now, isn't it? I had to get it before you drove through it, messed it all up and rutted it up. Follow the yellow brick road. We had a rock stuck in the gate, so we had to lift it up. There she went. Okay, you can lower it down. My little helpers. Just as a editor's note or a lawyer's small fine print, yeah, I know an excavator would be better, but you know what? This is what we got. Any tool will work, right? Right, Louis? That's what Red Bean says. Any tool's the right tool. You know, for like a $500 investment. I think it was like $300 for the piece of pipe, and probably $100 for the flat stock and bolts, and probably $100 in labor. I built that bucket with a little help, and it works. It doesn't work fantastic, but it works. And we don't do that much of it. So, can't really justify investing more for anything. So for what little we do, this works good.